tools, and I'll fix anything.
Just let it go to waste.
Preppers, give me a break. Got to. See you later.
Life comes from chaos. Life is pain and loss and tragedy. We are born into a world that feeds on our suffering, and after it has had its Father tells us to have faith. But what does that even mean? Think about your life, where you are, what you've done. Does it give you purpose? Do you feel fulfilled? Or do you feel lost, adrift in a sea of uncertainty? It's natural to try and find meaning in our lives. Try to make sense, find order, but we can't. Because life doesn't come from order. Life comes from chaos. Life is pain and loss and tragedy. We are born into a world that feeds on our suffering, and after it has had its fill, we are discarded. No one cares about us. No one sees us. Except the Father. No one else does.
Hello, sir. Imagine what we could do with 10 of you.
Thanks for helping us dig in here.
Oh, you look
We got to
lost.
take back what's ours.
When I was
Good work getting rid of the cultists.
You got time for a quick job?
I was a rat in a maze, always chasing the same wedge of rancid cheese.
How are we gonna get back
All
to
the
fantastic?
personality
You stop at it all the time.
beyond the maze. A world that
I used to hunt buck up here.
doesn't devour. It's a world that gives, that loves, It's a world that welcomes you with open arms. I'm not searching anymore. I'm here to share his word. Come see the world beyond the maze.
This game's awesome. You can play with your friends.
Those Peggy bastards stole all our gas. They drained these here reservoirs and filled their tankers. So I need you to steal one and bring it back here. Just got word that there's one parked at the old diner down the road. If we're gonna rebuild, we gotta reopen these pumps. We'll keep the truck stop safe. You bring back that sweet, sweet gas.
Looks like a clever dog.
You gotta try this. Best game ever. I could play this game all day.
This place...
This is virtual.
Question everything.
saved our bacon. They've been throwing themselves at these walls for days. Just won't let up. They already kicked open a hornet's nest.
Trucks on the road!
Damn it! Drunk, I need you up on that wall.
Take your position!
There's the one we're looking for! incoming! Take it out! I'm gonna make you hard!
Stop that truck! It's headed for the gate!
Whoa, shit! Gotta reload!
Rogers, there's an arc welder somewhere inside. Footy was using it last. Get on it. Well, you're with me. Let's start collecting scrap. You have to pull the doors off some of the cells. Do it! Now hop to! We ain't got much time. There problems?
No. A couple of the Peggy scaled the wall, but we got him. Door.
That doesn't look too bad. You'll be all right. Just keep pressure on it. You know, I was gonna retire last year. Was worried I'd get bored.
Are you gonna introduce us, or we're just gonna stand around here all awkward and shit?
Language!
Oh, fuck off, Virgil. Not today.
I have told you a vulgar mind is a sign of... You're not wearing your button!
No, I'm not wearing it.
I'll need a casualty report.
We're cougars!
We're really not.
Look, I'm wearing my button. The sheriff is wearing his button. This person... I'm sorry, who is this?
This is one of my deputies.
I thought you said your deputies were taken.
Well, this one wasn't. Been giving Eden's Gate a hell of a time from what I hear.
That's so. Well, I hope you plan on pitching in. No room for freeloaders.
Oh, Tracy's all right when she gets to know you. She's right about the work, though. There's plenty to be done around here. Just ask around. Good to have you back, Rook.
Okay, then.
Nice seeing you.
Deputy, none of my business, but you might want to ask Virgil or the others for an update. They know the places we need to strike.
Glad we have an HQ with big walls like
How you making out? Gonna be honest, never thought I'd see you again. After the crash, I just remember fog. Then walking in a field. Then I saw her. You've seen her too, haven't you, Rook? Whatever she says, whatever she promises, it's a lie. Stay away from her, you'll end up just like the Marshal. The bliss. It makes you forget. Makes you feel free. You just want to stay there forever. But it isn't real. None of it. If Virgil and Tracy hadn't found me, I'd still be out there, swimming in a sea of bliss. A prisoner in my own head. Those two saved my life. These cougars, they're good people, but they're hanging on by a thread. We gotta help them, Rook. No one else will. One last thing. We had a doctor. Well, a veterinarian, but he's doing his best. Guy went missing a couple hours ago. Don't know why, don't know how. But keep an eye out for him, would you?
How you making out, cowboy? Sure am glad
Hey,
the white horse is running the show here. Keep your chin up, sister.
Who'd have thought the old prison would become a holdout for the resistance?
Got a job
Your
that
sheriff
needs doing.
seems to know what he's doing, though. Tracy, I've seen around. Mostly keeps to herself. And Virgil, well... He's Virgil. I don't care much for politicians. Do what you can to help him out. I'll be in touch.
A monster job is what we need to rattle Faith.
How's it going?
That girl has every Peggy drunk on her line. I want to get her down tonight.
Hey, bud.
What's happening?
Hey, man. Good to see you. Second time I've been to jail, but... Animal population.
Self-sufficiency would appeal to your average Montanan.
Welcome to the bliss.
You can smile. But
I know you've heard stories about me. That I'm a liar. A manipulator. That I poison people's minds. Well, let me tell you a different story. A true story. There once was a young woman who had been ostracized by her community, bullied by friends, abused by her family. She took to a needle for help. She was all alone. She wanted to die. And then she met the Father. He gave her hope and confidence. The Father showed her how special she was. She was full of love and life. He gave her a new family, one that accepted her just as she was. The young woman no longer wished to die. She had been given purpose. One day, the Father brought her here. He asked if she had faith in him. He asked if she would be willing to die for him. The young woman, who very much wished to live, was scared. The Father told her this was her test. He would have faith in her if she had faith in him. So she closed her eyes and left. The Father kept his word. The path to Eden is clear to those who have faith.
walk the path.
You must have faith. Let go. Let your faith be your guide. Leap. Accept the word of the Father into your heart. I will give you purpose. I will set you free.
Hi there, sir. Farmland lies barren, the surrounding country. Rise up. State Fire Marshal cautions that everyone must be careful not to accidentally set off a conflagration.
Shoulder bone connected to the neck bone. Neck bone connected to the missing head bone. New world order is erupting all around us. Know what I'm saying? Okay, call me Tweak. I'm technically Aaron, but we don't need to be talking about official forms of ID, do we? Do we? No, I didn't think so. You don't look cultish. In fact, you have a distinct anti-cult vibe, which I dig. Hey, you know, I've been working on something for people like you who are taking on the cult. You know, top secret, very hush-hush. I consider myself something of a professional amateur chemist, and I've got recipes that will make you harder, better, faster, and stronger. No, don't think of them like drugs, but like performance enhancers. You like the sound of that? Thought so. Oh, but small snag. My supplies are low, so I'm gonna need some more special ingredients. I go myself, but kinda busy here. If you're interested, find the goods, then meet me at Prosperity. Okay, it's a little town southeast of here.
Son of a bitch!
I could play this game all day.